Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Let's start eating.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
chicken back at Ackee. You feel like?
For real, chicken back with Ackee. Okay?
Yeah.
If you're from Jamaica, you're used to this. You know what this is. For our American subscribers, this is something that we eat in Jamaica. It is very, very delicious. We do have a video on how my husband prepared it. I don't know about y'all, but we hungry. We's hungry. A little bit. We is hungry, okay? So we're gonna dig in, and we will show you the video of how we made it a little bit later. You know, we gotta get our food in.
Put on pepper for my side. I know you don't like eat pepper. No?
It's so good.
Still gotta kill it with the grace. You know the Jamaican grace? Don't play with her. Don't play around.
Grace is deadly.
Grace is deadly. Grace is deadly like what do you call it? The 2-time thing sauce.
The 2-time spicy. Oh yeah. Don't let Grace fool you. She's not no ordinary
family
hot sauce.
For some of y'all don't know Ackee, it's yellow. It look like egg.
That's true.
So, you know what I'm saying? We showing you some of our dishes that we eat on a regular in Jamaica, you know? Bring to all the Jamaicans them. Big up on yourself, you know?
No.
Chicken back nice, man.
Nice, seasoned to perfection. But there's a problem though.
What?
I don't know if I should say it.
What's the problem? Stop.
I'm gonna talk the truth.
Start to.
How am I gonna chew up my bone now in front of the people then? We can't chew it on the screen?
Watch me. Same way you do it regular, you do the same way.
Listen, we're not sure. When you have my chicken back.
You never put your bone right there, so. I want to see your bone them.
What you want to see my bone for?
I want to see the bone them. How much dumpling we start up with?
Listen, I'm not even
4.
know.
1, 2, 3, 4. How much you put on your side?
We don't have a side, it's like
I was gonna eat? Alright, then I gotta eat faster.
No. I gotta eat faster.
Oh my gosh. I'm hungry now. First meal of the day.
The way the chicken back is set up, it's more bone than meat, but it's worth it. Doesn't matter.
I'll show you the bone when the video is done. It's white yam right here.
We have dumpling, banana, and white yam. I didn't even tell them, honey. The way how we hungry?
Yeah, they're gonna see in the video.
That's true.
You was craving for this and I made it. So you got it now.
And you don't have to make it with chicken back. If you're not a person who like bone, like us, make it with chicken breast, make it with chicken thigh.
But do try it. It's very easy.
Guys, do you want to check out my outfit of the day?
Yes, I was just about to tell you.
You
show
what?
them. Girl, show them.
You're so excited.
Show them.
Check it out.
Chocolate milk. I like 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 chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. More food.
More full of food. I hope you like my outfit of the day.
I know they do.
I'm enjoying this food.
wish you enjoy it, man. If you enjoying what I'm doing, damn it. Nice dumpling, and you made dumpling nice too.
I don't know what to say other than
Make you want to slap your owner. Why, I'm nice enough?
Okay.
Alright. Slap me. Alright, see you later. You done that? Yeah. How about eat the food for the power come out?
You know, I have to eat the food before you get to it.
Show them the video. I will make it for the power come out. Whatever you want to do, show them. Whatever you want is on you.
Hey guys, check out the video on how my husband prepared this delicious meal. Check it out. Okay guys, so on today's menu, it is going to be chicken back with ackee. And this is the chicken back. This is how it looks after my husband took the skin off, took all of the stuff inside out, and he washed it with vinegar. You can wash it with lime or lemon juice, but you do want to wash your chicken. We wash our chicken in our house, okay? But he's not going to leave it big like this. No, we don't like chicken butt big like this. He's gonna cut it up, and I'm gonna show you how it looks after he cuts it up. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make the chicken back with ackee, and we're going to have food, dumpling and banana with some white yam, and you're going to need a tin of ackee. Now we live in Florida and we do have ackee tree all over the place, but my father-in-law wasn't able to get us any fresh ackee this time, so we're going to use a canned ackee. It's just as good. And then we have some black pepper, Everglades, adobo, and we have some Old Bay. We have green pepper, red pepper, onions, tomato, green banana, and a white piece of yam today. We're not going to do yellow, we're going to do white. And we're going to show you how it looks when it's all seasoned up, okay? Okay guys, so this is how you want the chicken back to look after you've seasoned the chicken back to your liking. You're just going to get your pot nice and hot, and you're going to pour the chicken back in the pot, and all that gravy, it was created by itself. See that? It's very flavorful. You don't have to add any water, you don't have to add any oil, just put the chicken back in the pot and it's going to make its own gravy. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how it looks when my husband adds the seasoning and the ackee. Okay guys, so then you're going to add all of your cut up ingredients like your onions, tomatoes, green pepper, red bell pepper, and then you're going to put it in the pot and you're going to let it saute and let the vegetables get nice and soft and tender. Okay guys, so this is how you want the ackee with chicken back to look. You can add more ackee if you like, you can add more chicken back, whatever you want. This is the end result. See you on the mukbang. Guys, I hope you liked the video on how my husband prepared the ackee and chicken back. Wow. I can't help it but to lick my fingers.
No choice. You got to.
But honey, is it true that in Haiti they don't eat ackee?
That's what I heard. I don't know if it's true, how true it is, but that's what I heard.
I gotta close my eyes. The key to a good ackee on chicken back is you have to season the chicken back good. You notice I'm not cutting my dumpling today, I'm biting it. So you guys want this?
They never want to, but you're drinking.
Take a little sippity sip. My father run away.
If you're from Haiti and you eat ackee, comment down, let me know. I don't know. We love it. Let me see all my Haitian people. You know? Or anybody else that love ackee.
SALTFISH. Woo! I come and say you put hot sauce on my side. No, there's no side, but yeah, I'll watch you.
There's no side, but I'm just moving it over for me. You know?
And they sell ackee pretty much anywhere. Any grocery store, honestly. It's already boiled for you. You don't have to do anything but just put it with the chicken back.
And ackee and saltfish is a national dish in Jamaica. For all the people that don't know, you know. So we put some chicken back with it, even nicer. Yeah, and this is the back of the chicken. It's called chicken back.
Yes.
Right? Good explanation, right? I explain it.
That's right. Oh God.
What? Yeah.
I've cut it. And some spill. That's right in my face.
Boy, nice, huh?
Nice and chewy. It suck up all the gravy.
As you put all the chicken back on your side, though.
I do not.
Crazy.
Everything is delicious, honey. You did a great job.
Sometimes.
All the time. All the time.
Yeah, push it, dump it to my side. She pushed it all the dump it to my side and took up all the chicken back to her side.
No.
Wow. That's crazy.
Stop telling lies.
I ate 5 dumplings already. 5 meat already, you know?
I think this is my second one.
No, y'all don't believe us. But whoever know us, they know what we're talking about. One day.
Comment below if you guys have had chicken back with ackee before. Right?
Yeah.
Because we often know how much people yam that. You come out good, right?
So we have chicken back for real. I know we do. And if you make it, tag 2 Envy Shanice.
Yep, because it's still my my Instagram is still 2 Envy Shanice, so
Tag her.
if you want to tag me, let me know.
Send your dish.
You chat too much, man.
No my mouth. Every time I look like you have a problem with me when me talk. That me I try to show you my youth. You chat too much time. Yeah, I'm on the phone, you chat too much, man. You want me to talk or you want me to eat? Which one? Because I gotta play my role, you know.
I want you to talk and eat.
I gotta play my role.
Why you gotta play your role? You see? You see?
I don't want to get kicked off the set.
Man, you can't get no more.
I can't eat no more.
Man, you can't say, I love mukbang.
I love mukbang. I say, I don't love mukbang. I pick it on the set. I make you alone, you my left food. Watch me you one day. What am I do? Prank you, look at us. What am I gonna do? Brush up my... Oh, shit, I'm saying my prank.
Well, tell me, what you gonna do? Tell me.
Don't worry.
Come on, honey, tell me.
I ain't telling you. What I'm telling you is for name the dumpling there. You take the white yam, eh?
Right here.
You did?
White yam cooks so much faster than yellow yam, but they're both delicious.
Yo, dumpling makes perfection. Eat one.
Yeah, you enjoy the dumpling?
Love the dumpling, man. Dumpling, nice. I do a dumpling challenge.
I was watching the video. Shoot! People them can't manage that.
A cracker challenge, you know, you can't drink water.
Yeah.
When you most crackers.
How much crackers you can yam and don't drink no water? My goodness. Me? 1.
I heard your jaw. Wow.
You see?
Wow.
I saved my bones, but I gotta chew them.
You got chew mine, huh? You said yesterday I wasn't chewing, now I'm chewing today, huh? Fix my false teeth.
You didn't feel good yesterday.
Gonna talk my business?
Yes. I talk your business. No, he doesn't have the corona.
I didn't feel good yesterday in the video, but still did it for y'all family. You know? But I feel better today. I'll tell you that.
You see, because he's talking a lot. Is there a difference?
Oh, can you tell I wasn't talking yesterday?
Yeah, that's why I asked him yesterday. I asked to him, "What's wrong, honey? What are you thinking about?" Because I could tell something was wrong because he got very quiet. And this guy cannot stay not talking.
I'm talking today.
No.
My stomach was acting up, family, since y'all want to know, because you already done shut my business already.
I didn't tell them that. You couldn't say you had a headache. You see? You tell upon yourself.
So I go, but I did it for y'all, though. All right. I'm back at it again today.
He feels much better today, as you can see.
As I'm talking, huh?
One time you had made this with chicken breast. It was so good.
A lot of meat.
A lot of meat. It was so good. So good, so good, so good.
But I was off camera, now it's on camera. See how it does. You got That's the call. That's the call. What you
I'm enjoying my bone.
I mean, you're full, man. I eat the bone of you.
I'm enjoying my bone.
You eat the food. I eat the food.
I get my food. Some of my food too.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You know how we do. Okay. Comment in the bottom. Tell us what you wanna cook and eat.
You're gonna say they're not listening?
Yeah, good. Oh man, they gonna listen.
You guys gonna comment?
Good for the team.
Yo, they said they want Bravo chicken, but juicy and meaty, you know?
Bravo chicken back turn up, man, but they can't buy them fish.
Oh my goodness. Gosh.
We're gonna have to work, yeah?
Coconut oil is doing something to it.
Things, man.
Yeah.
Damn, you have all the food and give the family none? Greedy girl. I feel nice today, the first lady.
I see.
My gosh. I like that. I like to eat my food. Trust me. Gotta get in my show.
You did good though.
And you would have never known, but you knew.
I knew. I'm your wife.
Too much to come like your detective.
I sure am. Detective Shanice.
Yeah. See? This one don't make your belt tight. Burp like the other one. Gotta go to DNG. Yo, you finish all the chicken back, yo. That's good though. That's yours.
Good guy. It's okay, honey.
Yeah.
If I don't eat this and you eat, it's okay. People already know you're greedy.
That's yours.
Stop giving me food so that they don't say that you ate all the food.
You're gonna look bad on camera like I eat all that. I got a beer there.
What? You better not.
Get a decent cut. Yo, the bone nice, you know?
I love it. The bone. Oh, your mouth tired now.
You're about too tired because you talk too much.
Now I go back and I eat the bone.
No. I don't want to see bone. Everyone is amazing. That's how your bone's supposed to look. That's how it's supposed to look when you're done with the thing.
Oh, chicken back.
So they don't know. They don't know.
They don't understand. You chew the bone. You notice that when you chew the bone, you really get some deep thoughts.
I feel like I eat the next 2 dumplings, you know.
Listen, I'm still hungry.
Shit. I was saying
I'm
the same
serious. You know, I'm still hungry.
That's why you just separate your own thing and give me mine for mines and take your.
You ate basically like a.
That's why I'm not.
All
That's why I'm not
food.
full.
Family, you know, I'm still hungry.
Me too. See yourself next year.
Next year. I don't know, but I'm gonna go eat some more bone right now.
I'll eat some off camera.
Guys, I want to say thank you so much for joining us today. It was a pleasure as always. I hope you guys had fun because we had fun. And I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch
us. Catch our beat up on that one there today. Yeah. Catch our man.
We will see you on another mukbang. Bye.
I beat the tweet today one.